Good evening, sir. My topic for CA2 assignment is Introduction to Sequential Circuits RS flip-flop. Introduction to Sequential Circuits RS flip-flop. The sequential circuits are the type of digital circuit that utilize memory elements to store information. RS flip-flop is a fundamental type of sequential circuit that can store one bit of information. In this presentation, we will explore the operation and applications of the RS flip-flop. What is an RS flip-flop? An RS flip-flop is a simple digital circuit with two inputs R reset and S is a set. It has two outputs Q and Q dash. Q is the inverted output of Q dash. The behavior of an RS flip-flop is determined by the combination of its inputs. Operation for an RS flip-flop is when both R and S inputs are low, it is 0. The RS flip-flop maintains its current state. When it is 0, it maintains the current state. When R is high, it is become 1 and S is low, it become 0. The flip-flop is reset, Q becomes 0, Q dash is equal to 1. When S is high, it becomes 1 and R is low, it becomes 0. The flip-flop is set Q is equal to 1, Q is equal to Q dash is equal to 0. Truth table for the RS flip-flop given in this slide. The truth table of an RS flip-flop shows the output states based on the input combination. Given R is equal to 0, S is equal to 0, there is no change in state. And given R is equal to 1, S is equal to 0, and Q is equal to 0, Q dash is equal to 1, it becomes a reset state. Timing diagram of an RS flip-flop given in this slide is the timing diagram illustrates the transitions of outputs Q and Q dash based on inputs R and S. It shows how the outputs change in response to changes in the inputs over time. The timing diagram helps in analyzing the behavior of RS in flip-flop in sequential circuits. Applications of RS flip-flop is RS flip-flops are used in various applications such as counters, shift registers and memory units. They are essential building blocks in digital electronics for storing and manipulating binary information. RS flip-flop are widely used in control systems, data storage, and communication devices. As move for advantages of RS flip-flop is RS flip-flops are simple to implement using basic logic gates. They have straightforward truth table and operation, making them easy to understand. RS flip-flop are versatile and can be cascaded to create more complex sequential circuits. Limitations of RS flip-flop is the undefined state when both inputs are high can lead to instability in the circuit. The race condition can occur if the inputs change too quickly, cause unpredictable behavior. RS flip-flop are not suitable for high-speed applications due to their inherent limitations. Comparison of other flip-flops. RS flip-flops are the simplest type of flip-flop but have limitations such as the undefined state. The flip-flops have the single data input and are edge triggered, providing more stable operation. JK flip-flops combine the features of the both RS and D flip-flops, offering more versatility and functionality. And can move for the conclusion. In conclusion, the RS flip-flop is a basic sequential circuit that can store one bit of information. It has two inputs and R is R and S and two outputs. They are the inputs R and S and two outputs Q and Q dash that change based on the input combinations. You can see it has the two inputs R and S and the outputs are Q and Q dash. Understanding the operation and applications of the RS flip-flop is essential in digital electronics design. You can know the digital design essential. Thank you for the listening for patience, sir.